If you're over 55 and flying in 2026, TSA can take your medications, snacks, or even your cane if you don't follow the rules. In this video, I'll show you exactly what seniors can safely bring through security so nothing important gets taken away. Welcome to Travel Tips and FAQ, where I help seniors and first-time flyers travel with less stress and more confidence. Today, we're breaking down TSA tips for seniors in 2026, including what you can actually bring through security, what TSA rules apply to older travelers, and how to get through the checkpoint without surprises. Let's start with documents, because without the right ID, you're not getting past TSA at all. In 2026, if you're a US citizen flying within the United States, you need one of these: a real ID-compliant driver's license, a US passport, or another TSA-accepted ID like a military ID. Look for the little star in the corner of your license. That usually means it's real ID. If you do not have a real ID, bring your passport if you have one. You do not need to bring your social security card, and you do not need your birth certificate for regular domestic flights. Next, liquids. This is where TSA takes the most items from seniors. TSA still uses the 311 rule in 2026. Each liquid container must be 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters or less. All your small liquids must fit in one clear, quart-sized bag. One bag per traveler in your carry-on. If it pours, pumps, squeezes, sprays, spreads, or smears, treat it like a liquid and keep it small. Now the part seniors worry about most: medications. Here's the truth. TSA allows reasonable amounts of medically necessary liquids, gels, and creams in containers larger than 3.4 ounces. That includes prescription liquids, insulin, saline, and gel ice packs used to keep medicine cold. You can also bring pill organizers, prescription bottles, and common over-the-counter pills. To make this easy, keep medications in their original labeled bottles when you can. Place them together in a separate pouch, and at the checkpoint say, "I have medications and medical liquids in this bag." TSA may test the liquids, but properly packed, medically necessary medications should not be taken away. If you use a cane, walker, or wheelchair, TSA will not take these away. You are allowed to bring canes, walkers, wheelchairs, and mobility scooters through security. They will be screened, and you may receive a pat-down instead of going through the scanner. If standing or walking is difficult, tell the TSA officer. Seniors and travelers with disabilities have the right to ask for assistance and extra time. You can also fly with medical devices. CPAP machines, portable oxygen concentrators that your airline approves, insulin pumps, and implanted devices like pacemakers are all allowed. Pack CPAP machines in a separate bag if possible, and be ready to remove the machine from the bag for screening. If you have a pacemaker or implant, calmly tell the officer before you enter the scanner so they can use an alternative screening method. What about snacks? Solid foods are usually fine through TSA. Sandwiches, crackers, nuts, granola bars, and most dry snacks. Liquids and gels are different. Yogurt, peanut butter, pudding, and soup often count as liquids or gels. If they're over 3.4 ounces, put them in checked baggage. If you have a special diet, you can absolutely bring snacks. Just separate your liquids from your solids when asked. Here are the items TSA most often takes away from seniors: large bottles of water or soda in your carry-on, full-size shampoo or lotion, big jars of peanut butter or jelly, and knives or sharp tools. Bring an empty water bottle through security and fill it up on the other side. Keep larger liquids and anything sharp in your checked bag, not your carry-on. Let's do a quick TSA checklist for seniors flying in 2026. Valid ID, real ID license or passport. Medications, labeled, together, and declared if liquid. Liquids, 3.4-ounce containers in one clear bag. Mobility aids, canes, walkers, and wheelchairs are allowed and will be screened. Medical devices, CPAP and implants are allowed with extra screening. Snacks, solids are fine. Big liquids and gels go in checked bags. If this video helped you feel more prepared, tap like so more seniors can see it, and subscribe to Travel Tips and FAQ for more TSA tips, airport advice, and senior travel guides. If you still have questions about a specific item, ask in the comments, and I may make a full video just on that topic. Safe travels.